In this video, I want to talk about how you can get verified on eToro. Now to get verified here, I'll quickly show you two different methods. The first one is if you're not fully verified, usually there will be a completion here and you can press on this to complete it. Now the second one is head over to home and usually there will be a verify your account button right here, or click on your profile and there should be a verify inside of there. Then once you've done this, click on the button and it will take you to the verification page. In here you're gonna provide some sort of ID or address proof, and you have to answer a questionnaire about trading and all this sort of stuff. Once you completed all of that, your account will be reviewed and then you will now have verified your account. So this is the simplest way to do this, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.